Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I'm going to show you how to center text in GIMP. So let's have a look now. Begin by opening GIMP and creating a new project or opening an existing image where you want to add center text. Select the text tool from the toolbox panel. Click on your image canvas and type the text you want to center. If you need to center text after typing it, select the text layer in the Layers panel. Then use the Alignment tool to ensure it's perfectly centered. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.